Hey, it's Kate with WTI, and I wanted to show you my highball glasses from JoyJolt. Now, I do not do fancy anything really, fancy drinks, but I do love this glass. Even just for the day-to-day, it's perfect. So it's nice and slim and tall. It's sturdy enough that you don't feel like it's fragile in your hands. You're not gonna worry about breaking it just by putting it away in a cupboard, which is always a pet peeve of mine. It's nice and crystal clear, so if you do happen to make a really beautiful drink that you'd like to showcase, maybe you have some mint leaves in there, or it's a nice rose color, or whatever you've got, this is a really nice way to show it off. It comes in a pack of 6, which is great. Most of the time I find glasses are sold in sets of 4, so the fact that it comes with 6 is perfect, and you just know that what you're getting is a really quality piece of glassware. So this is the glass we use every single day. My kids use this for their milk, their juice, their iced tea, all of those kinds of things. It's very functional, they're easy to clean, and I definitely recommend them, and that's my point of view.